PEM also stands for post-exertional malaise. And this happens to people who are experiencing chronic fatigue syndrome, where they go and do something, they exert their bodies and they do something physical, and then they get a payback for it where the body actually doesn't adapt appropriately, and then they get symptoms as a response to that. And one of the ways to stop PEM or post-exertional malaise is to actually have and find your baseline, which actually helps you solidify where you're at. It helps you be able to do things that you can do without feeling any worse than you currently do. And then you build on that appropriately. And the key here is flexibility. This isn't graded exercise therapy. I don't actually believe in that. I think it's too hard with a chronic illness to be that strict. You need to have flexibility based off how you sleep, your stress levels, what you're eating. And there's so many factors you need to listen to. But it's really important that you stop pushing yourself beyond your capacity and you start doing what's appropriate so your body can adapt appropriately, and then you can build from there.